Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare chicken Malai Seekh Biryani. It has a complete different taste when compared to the regular chicken biryanis. It has a delicious tempting aroma. It's also known as white kebab biryani. So without any delay, let's start. The first step is to prepare the chicken kebab mixture. In a blender, add 1 medium-sized onion. Then add 3 chopped green chilies, handful of chopped coriander leaves, few mint leaves, then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of salt, and blend them coarsely. Do not grind to paste. Now we need to grind 500 grams of boneless chicken along with 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal, that's besan gram flour. Then add a teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and grind them without adding water. Then in a mixing bowl, add in the minced chicken. You need to grind it to this texture. Add along the onions and the green chilies mixture that we have blended to coarse texture before. And mix them well. You see, when you just roll it, it shouldn't break. So remember, your kebab minced mixture shouldn't be in loose texture. Next is to add some smoky flavor to the kebab mixture. So keep some hot charcoal in a bowl and place it in the middle of the mixture. Add oil or ghee to it and cover it immediately. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, open the lid and take off the charcoal. Mix the chicken mixture well. And the next step is to prepare the seekh kebab. Now you can take any stick like this if you do not have that steel rod that is used for preparing kebabs. Now here I have taken this stick that is used to push the put from the put maker. I found this very easy. So it's very simple. All you need to do is to just grease your palm with 2 to 3 drops of oil and take a bowl size of the kebab mixture and do follow the way I have shown. After removing from the stick, this is how it looks. In the similar way, prepare all the other kebabs. Now we need to shallow fry them. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to a heated pan. Add 3 to 4 kebabs at a time and fry them on all sides. There you go, the kebabs are ready. Now you need to wash and soak 500 grams of basmati rice for half an hour. The second step is to prepare the creamy mixture. In a mixing bowl, add in the paste of soaked 10 badam and 10 cashews. Here I have grinded them along with 2 tablespoons of fresh malai. Then you need half cup of milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, you can add 3 tablespoons of cheddar cheese. I didn't have, so I skipped it. Don't worry, your biryani will taste good even if it's not added. 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and give it a good mix. Now we need to cook the rice. So in a big pot, add water to half the pot, then add 2 teaspoons of salt. While it's boiling, then add a few shajira and a bay leaf to give it a lovely aroma. Then add in the soaked rice and let it cook to 80%. After 7 to 8 minutes, your rice should be 80% cooked. Strain the water and keep the rice aside. Now the third step is to prepare the Malai Seekh Biryani gravy. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add some whole spices. You need 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of shajira, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 cardamom, 1 black cardamom, a small piece of star anise. Then add in a bay leaf and saute them well. Add in 2 big onions chopped finely. Saute till it turns golden brown in color. Now keep your flame low and add 1 cup of curd. Keep stirring it continuously. After 3 minutes, add in the creamy mixture and give it a good mix. Now add 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Then 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 chopped green chilies, a teaspoon of salt, then 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, within 5 minutes the oil would start to separate on the sides, and at this time switch off the flame. The gravy is ready. Now the final step is to do the layering of the rice and the gravy along with the kebabs. In a wide biryani pot, add in the first layer of the rice, add half of the cooked rice, then little of the gravy, few chopped mint and coriander leaves, then place the kebabs. Cut the kebabs to half and place them, or it's your wish. Then place another layer of the cooked rice and do in the same way as before. Now cover the pot with an aluminum foil and place the lid and keep on dum in low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, your delicious chicken Malai Seekh Biryani is ready to be served. Garnish with some fried onions on top and serve it hot along with some raita. It's a yummy and delicious biryani. Do try this recipe, you will love it for sure. Stay healthy and thank you for watching.